first law of motion, that is, a body remain in its state until an external force applied. So a body remain in its state means body remains at rest or keep moving in a uniform straight line motion until an external force applied. That is the first law of motion. Here I am sitting to explain you what is the Newton's first law. This is the 10th video of our series of Maxwell's equation. So this is our first law of motion. Its statement is written here. It state that a body remain in its state until an external force apply. What this means? This means is when there is no external force, then there can only be two things can be happen. That is, if a body is at rest, it remains at rest. Show graphically, its position remains at the initial position as the passage of time. And the second thing that can be happen is if something is moving with uniform velocity, it keep moving uniform straight line motion. So in the absence of force, there only can be two things can be happen. If a body is at rest, it remains at rest. If a body is moving uniform straight line motion, it's keep moving with uniform straight line motion if there is no force. And what is the second law of motion? Second law of motion is the rate of change in momentum is directly proportional to force applied over the body, or the force is directly proportional to rate of change in the momentum of the body. This is the second law of motion, and we can convert this into number of equation forms like F is equal to ma in the board section. Let's see. And the last law, third law of motion, is the law which states when two bodies collides, they exert force on each other which is equal but opposite in direction. So we define as the equal actions produce equal reactions. Let's see how its law looks in a equation form or a formulation in a board. Let's see. So this is a different location. I am on the terrace of my house and tried recording this video from my home without going to my center because it takes too much time, and I have some new batches which doesn't allow me to give so much time to shoot this video. So I am making this time for use at my home.